Ooh. 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 Here it is. Voila! The Big Into Energy Rock the Universe Monsters. This box is glittery. This is a fun box. I've never had a Labubu box. It's glittery. Okay. Pretty. There's probably going to be like 8 million things I have to take apart.
Careful.
Dude. How old? I'll keep this nice as usual. Okay, there we go. Not nice to sell, nice because I collect these things and have been before the big Labubu insanity, which drives me Labubu boom drives me crazy. Pretty card.
Shiny.
Everything's shiny. I love it. I love it. It's fun new packaging. So we have the energy flows where invention goes. Rock the universe. Okay, which way will he be? He, she. I'll go this way. Ooh. I'm going to open it kind of weird because it has like a section to it. There we go.
It's not like a plastic thing or anything, is it?
Oh, yeah, they packaged it. It looks like more environmentally friendly.
Probably gonna be a nightmare to get him out of his.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at the back in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give me a minute. Okay. There's one. There is, I don't know where this one's coming from. Oh, there's more and more and more. Okay, these. Okay, I want that. All right, Labubu, throwing you around. Okay. There we go, but not yet because there's more. Oh my, okay. I like how they protect it though, so you don't you can't cut the hair. Okay, let's fluff it out right there. Get the other one. Okay, I think that might be, oh, there we go. Fluff. I hear you. So it has this cute little necklace. I think, I don't know if it's detachable. It looks like it's sewn on there, so it has a little plastic. So it says the monsters on one side. You can see that. And then it has the silhouette of Labubu on there. What I love is these glittery eyes. Super soft. Let's check the feet. Well, we know this is OG. Little black from the packaging right there. So let's see if its head turns. No head turns. So it's basically a big plush, but it's super cute. The colors are awesome. And there we go. There he is. The she, he, it. Doo-doo. Okay, one thing I just discovered, which I don't think I have in any of mine, is the eyes move.
What?
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Just backwards and forwards. But that is pretty darn cool. I wonder if my other ones do that. I know not
Find
my
out by mistake.
not my 400. Yeah, well, it looked like it. They kind of did, so I just moved it. Like there was a little hair in it from the bit. That's a fun little addition.